Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about a sample quarantine plan when you come into Canada. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, we know that once you come into Canada, you have to self quarantine yourself for 14 days. That's a mandatory law, and if you don't follow that, there are strict punishments including hefty fines as well. And moreover, you need to convince the officer that you meet the quarantine plan criteria. So many people, those who have arrived recently, they have said that it's always better you have some written plan with you so that you can show, or if questions are asked you can say. So I'm going to prepare a sample quarantine plan, but it may or may not work in every case because every case is different, but it's some like sample based on my research, and they may ask you additional details that probably I would not cover in this video. Alright, so when it comes as quarantine plan, what I would say that first include your personal details. Like provide your name, then your contact number, provide your email address, then provide your if you want like reference contact number or second contact number for emergency, whatever. Alright, so this will be the first section I would say. Then comes your document details, right? I would say document details, or in other terms travel document details. Okay, so what are the things would you like to cover here? Passport, if you are a PR card holder, then PR card number. If you are a visa holder, then visa number or UCI, whatever is applicable in your case. Alright, that is very important. Alright, then I would say go for travel. Oh, sorry about that. Travel details. Here you are arriving into Canada and you are providing such details. So provide information like your flight number, origin, any layovers if applicable, if applicable then tell like where and for how long. Okay, alright, now coming to the main area, self quarantine plan. This is a very important section that the border officer would be very interested to know, and lot of questions can be asked. Oh. Alright, first of all, complete address including postal code. So this should include your apartment number, room number, or whatever. Like it should be the concrete address, complete address, that it should be right your address where you are going to. Then you should say type of address, like it could be a hotel room, it could be a rented property, it could be your house, whatever is applicable in your case, you need to provide that information. All right. Okay. Now apart from this, and other questions will come, right? I mean, are you gonna do it like, are you gonna quarantine alone, with family, etc. I mean, based on individual circumstances, they will ask. Make sure it meets the criteria that they have published on their site. That is very important. Now next is like important needs. Like your food, how are you gonna arrange it? Like, are you gonna order delivery, are you gonna cook? So if you're gonna cook, like is your kitchen is already full with the raw materials? These questions can be asked. Then the next is like necessary supplies. Now necessary supplies could be like your medication, your personal cleaning needs, and all sort of things that you need on daily basis mandatory. So they will ask like, how do you already have it arranged, or if not, how are you gonna deliver it, how are you gonna get it? That is very important. And if you say that like deliveries, and also they will ask like if you have any friend, family who's gonna deliver it at your doorstep, or if you're gonna order it online. These kind of questions based on individual cases they will definitely ask, and you need to provide them the information, and make sure you provide them correct information, because they're gonna verify you. And anyway, in immigration and other things, I've always said, be always 100% honest, 100% honest. All right. Next is like transportation. From port of entry to quarantine place. How are you gonna travel? They're gonna ask like, are you gonna take private, public, taxi, or ride share? So it's definitely like you should take private. They don't want you to go to public through public. Okay, so like a lot of people take taxi or something to go to their quarantine place, and yes, you need to put a mask on. Like you should have a mask. That is very important. Now these are the sample details they may ask you, like you gotta convince them. But based on individual circumstances, they may ask you more questions. For example, let's say if you are going to quarantine with a family, then they will ask like, are there senior people, kids, anything they can ask. Immigration officers have every right to make sure that you meet the criteria. So this is how I would be like making the plan, but it's up to you. Like this is just a sample based on my research. Like when I would prepare the plan, I would share all the details, and I'll make sure I'll do self-analysis that my plan actually meets the criteria. So that's it for now, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you, guys.